Want to drive errors out of your model? Use dynamic arrays. Want to make dynamic arrays easy? Use 5G functions. Want 5G functions in seconds? Install Microsoft's free Advanced Formula environment. Coming up next, I'll show you exactly how. Modern Excel gives us the ability to create our own industry-specific functions from 100% native Excel formulas. They enable industry experts to package their proven model sections into functions that anyone of any skill level can use in any workbook. Those functions make modeling easier. They solve circularity without VBA or iterative calculations, and on their own, they can prevent errors that have cost companies millions. When combined with dynamic arrays, they can reduce cell error rate risk by more than 90%. You need these functions. Many of these functions are available for free, and to get them, all we need is Microsoft's free add-in, Advanced Formula Environment. Here's how to install it. Open Excel. From the Home tab, click Add-ins. Search for Excel Labs. Select it. Click Add, then Continue. Once it opens, find Advanced Formula Environment. Check Make Default, then click Open. That's it. The add-in is installed, and we're ready to start importing libraries. To import functions, we first need to find them. Currently, the largest source of 5G functions is maintained by BXL and stored on 5gmodeling.com. So leave Excel open and open a browser. In the address bar, type 5gmodeling.com and press Enter. That takes us to BXL's 5G site. To get a function library, click 5G Function Libraries. Here, you'll see BXL's 5G function catalog. They're all free. To get started with financial functions, click Financial Starter. These are the functions included in the Financial Starter library. You can click any function to see what it does and review its documentation. To import the entire library, go back to the Financial Starter page and copy the web address labeled GIST. Now return to Excel. From the Home tab, click the Excel Labs icon. Click Modules. Click the Download from Cloud icon. Paste the web address into the GitHub GIST URL box. Check Add Formulas to New Module. A module is simply a function library. We can import as many libraries as we like. If we import multiple libraries, there's a chance they could contain functions with the same name. For example, each BXL library includes an About function that lists the functions it contains. To prevent confusion, we give each library a short, unique prefix. For the financial library, I like to use BXF for BXL Financials. You can use whatever you like as long as each prefix is unique. Let's enter BXF in the module name box. Now click Import. And we're done. We've loaded an entire library of custom financial functions for free. We won't need Advanced Formula Environment again unless we want to import another library. So let's close it. As I mentioned, every BXL library includes an About function that lists the functions it contains. Let's try it. In a cell, type equals, then ABO. As we type, Excel shows matching functions. There's the About function. Select it and press Enter. Now we see a list of financial modeling functions available in this library. Let's test one. We'll try inflation. In a new cell, type equals, then INFL. Select inflation. Excel's IntelliSense now prompts us for its arguments. For now, don't enter anything. Just press Enter. This displays the function's inline help text. It shows the syntax, a description, a link to online help, version information, and a list of arguments. The function requires a timeline, an indication of whether those dates are period start or period end, one or more inflation rates, and the dates when those rates take effect. Now that we understand what the function does, let's complete it. Click back on the function cell so it appears in the formula bar. Click inside the parentheses. IntelliSense prompts us for the first argument, timeline. Select the model's end dates. Indicate that these are period end dates. Then enter a 2% annual inflation rate starting the month after the model begins. Press Enter. It works. We now see a row of inflation factors for each quarter ready to apply across the model. This confirms that we've successfully imported a library of functions designed specifically for financial modeling. It took only seconds to install Advanced Formula Environment, and it cost nothing. Then it took just a minute to find and import an entire library of professional financial modeling functions. Again, completely free.